How to upload an HD video on WhatsApp status on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make sure your status videos are posted in the best quality possible. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner and go into Settings. From there, tap on Storage and Data to open the data settings. At this point, look for the Media Upload Quality option and tap on it. In the next step, select HD quality from the options available to make sure everything you upload goes out in the highest quality. Following this, go back to the main screen and tap on Status to head over to the Status section. Once done, tap the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen and then tap on the plus button to create a new status. From here, select the video you want to upload from your gallery. Finally, tap Send and your status will be uploaded in full HD quality for all your contacts to see. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload an HD video on WhatsApp status on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.